Hi guys, welcome to iMobie channel. We understand the frustration and panic that can arise when you're unable to unlock your Samsung tablet, but fear not. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to regain access to your tablet without needing your Google account. Let's get started. In the first part, we'll explain what FRP is for you. FRP is the abbreviation of Factory Reset Protection, which is a security feature on Android devices with Android OS version 5.1 and higher. In Settings, find Accounts and Backups, and you can sign in to your Google account here. If the Google FRP is enabled, you will need to enter your Google account credentials to confirm after doing a factory reset. Otherwise, you cannot access the device. So in the second part, we will tell you 2 ways to factory reset a Samsung tablet first. If you remember the passcode, please check out the first solution. On your Samsung tablet, go to Settings to find About Tablet. Scroll down to tap on Reset. Next, tap on Factory Data Reset. Finally, tap on the Reset option and done. If you don't remember any passcode, please check the second solution. Press and hold side button and volume down button at the same time to power off your tablet. Then, press and hold side button and volume up button at the same time. Release buttons until you see the Samsung logo appear. Press the volume down button to choose Wipe Data and Factory Reset. When the process is done, select Reboot System now. When you see the welcome screen, that means the tablet is reset completely. Follow to complete setups, you can regain access to your tablet. But if your tablet is signed to a Google account, after connecting Wi-Fi, you need to verify Google account, otherwise, you cannot do the next step. So what to do if you forget the Google account and password? Please check the last part. DroidKit is a complete Android solution for all Android issues, including data recovery, screen unlock, FRP bypass, system fix, data management, etc. With DroidKit, you can bypass FRP on various Android devices, including Samsung, Xiaomi, Poco, and Oppo, from Android 6 to 13. Every model has a customized bypassing solution to make sure you can get the highest success rate. Check more info in our description if you want to get more info. Now, let's show you how to bypass Google verification on Samsung tablet using DroidKit. Connect your tablet via a USB cable to your PC or Mac and launch DroidKit. Select FRP Bypass. Click Start and wait for the configuration files to be prepared. Next, DroidKit will ask you to choose your Android OS version or tablet. Please choose Tablet Series and click Next. Follow the instructions in DroidKit. If you haven't factory reset your tablet, please reset it and reach the welcome screen first. Then, complete some setups and connect a stable Wi-Fi. Click Send Notifications in DroidKit, you will see a dialog pop up, tap on View. Next, do the second step and click Reset in DroidKit. Please wait for a while patiently, and don't unplug your tablet during the process. When you see the bypass completed screen, you can regain access to your tablet. That's all. Thanks for watching this video, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.